fact that for the first time in human history, everyone's connected. And when we look at statistics, we get, 8 billion people on the planet, and we ask ourselves, why do there seem to be so many more gay people? Well, gay is biology. It is not human. And it's a percentage of the population for a reason. There's a functional reason there. Maybe we won't know that for another 100 years. However, it's normal and it's part of nature. And if one looks beyond what humans say about everything, you look at the science, it's pretty obvious that we're just educating ourselves about reality. And most of these anti-gay, anti-trans legislations, they're about allowing adults to be afraid. That's all they're for.
That's really well said.
For the adult population who is afraid, to allow them to continue to be afraid and uneducated about the world.